At the front of the van we have your coupling head with both the levers in the upright position. It is ready to take the tow ball, like so. The back handle will drop down and then is ready for the stabilising handle to come down as well. You'll notice once the tow ball is in the correct position, this red pin will come up with a green indicator notifying you that the tow ball is correctly seated. When ready to remove tow ball, pick up the first handle, the second handle, and the tow ball will release. Moving further back, we have a breakaway cable, jockey wheel and handbrake. Also the 13-pin plug. This is in control of your road lights and fridge, as long as your vehicle is wired correctly. I will now demonstrate your lights working. To start off with, we have the ACC. And then moving on to the front lights. Side lights. High level. Reverse indicator side light. Both of the number plates. Again, reverse, side and indicator. Side lights, high level, all working. Also on the front of the van we have your bulkhead regulator. This is both suitable for propane and butane. On here is a yellow switch. When in line with the gas pipe, it is ready to use. Coming around to the side of the van, we have your water inlet, battery locker, mains into the van, and your mover isolator switch. The key, place it in and turn it, and the mover is ready to use. I will come back to that at the end of the video. Put the mains into the van. Moving back, we have the toilet cassette. The toilet flush fill. Coming into the van, we have your control panel. Turn it on with the on button. We've got water pump, internal lights, internal mood lights, and awning light. I'll come back to the pump in just a moment. Also down here you have your consumer unit with 12-volt fuses, MCBs and RCD. I recommend that every time you plug into a new main source you hit the test button, ensuring that the RCD is working correctly and keeping you safe. You also have neon buttons up here that will light up when they are working for charger and heating system. There is also the shutdown button. This can be pressed at the, when you are done using the van, and it will shut everything down in the van. Also you have a list of what all the fuses are for. Also down here is the water shut-off valve. When in the horizontal position you are ready to run water through the van. When in the vertical position you are ready to drain the van. Now going back up to turn the water pump on. Press the button and the water pump is on. You're now ready to run water through the van. Opening the cold side, allowing the air to come through. This should take a few seconds, and doing the same on the hot side. This could take up to a few minutes for the air to come through. Got your 3 hobs and hot plate. Your grill with grill pan and grill pan handle, and oven. In here you have your Aldi header tank. It is recommended that this is filled when cold, and also roughly a centimetre above the minimum mark. Finally, we have your fridge. You operate this by these buttons up here. You turn it on, like so. You have your mains, gas and 12 volt. This 12 volt only works when the car is connected, as long as your vehicle is wired up correctly. We also have the temperature controls and reset button, which is explained here on the yellow card. Turn around again, you have your microwave. Going back past the bed, you have your table, and going into the bathroom, you have toilet, the electric toilet to your bathroom. We have your toilet, the toilet with electronic flush. You use this by pressing the blue button up here, and it flush your toilet. Closing that down, and the lever to release it into the cassette. We then have sink and shower. I'll show you all the lights working. In your van you will find that there will be a warranty sheet left in here. This shows you what is covered and not covered under your warranty. So you have your Audi heating system. Turn it on like so. Hit menu, and then you have your options. The top option is the room temperature, then water. This is water heat off, on and fully on water. Then you have your electric settings, 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt and 3 kilowatt. And then also gas. Turn that off like so. You will also find under the bed is your spare wheel. Whilst inside the van I will demonstrate your alarm working. The on button. 1 click is engaged, 2 clicks is disengaged, and the second fob, 1 click engaged, 2 clicks disengaged. I will now demonstrate your motor mover working. Coming back over to the isolation key, put the key in, and twist into the on position. You then get the handset, pressing both the green buttons to turn the handset on. With the auto engage, you then press and hold the middle button and the green button to engage the mover. It is important to let the handset go fully through the process of engaging the mover before pressing any buttons. You will see that the light will stay fully green when engaged. The mover is now ready to use. Once engaged, you can release the handbrake. And use the mover. Going forwards. Backwards. Front end towards me. Front end away from me, back end away from me, and back end towards me. Any other information that you'd like to find, your best bet is to look at the manufacturer's specifications, as they will give you the recommended procedure of working.